Recently I mentioned that I wanted to finish learning JavaScript and make something from that learning. And so I did. I coded a Tetris game in JavaScript. Full disclosure, I followed a fantastic tutorial and I highly recommend. Additionally, I followed a JavaScript crash course beforehand to make the process go smoother. Again, this isn't a tutorial or anything. This is just sharing what I made from a tool that I recently learned. The tutorial was straightforward. I didn't really run into any issues. It'll take you as long as it takes you to finish the video. I did learn some interesting concepts like query select and event listener. But yeah, I had a lot of fun making it and playing with it. I did also switch IDEs and went with using Fleet, which is a JetBrains product, and JetBrains makes IntelliJ, which I love Java, so I had to use a derivative of IntelliJ, and I enjoyed it. I only made some minor changes to the code, like the colors, obviously, but yeah, all the code can be found on my GitHub, which I've linked below. The game still does have bugs, obviously, but I don't really mind that right now. It's mainly just a proof of concept for building something in JavaScript, because like I've said, building something is a good way to learn a new coding language. But yeah, again, this isn't a tutorial, this is just sharing what I made. Anyways, that's it. Happy coding. Keep building and breaking. Bye.